What's Goodie G baby? So the first thing I do is I take my Beach Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette like I've been doing lately, right? And I'm gonna be using the light purple shade that is on there, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. This palette is very pigmented, which is what I like about it. It has a bit of fallout, but for the pigmentation, it's worth it. Now I will be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm gonna be using this to cut my crease. Now I'm gonna be taking my Sephora Contour Palette, and with that light shade, I'm gonna be using that to set my concealer. Now I'm gonna be taking my purple shade, my dark purple shade from the palette, and I'm gonna be applying that on the sides of my crease because we are gonna be creating a halo eye. So now I'm gonna take my Aurora lights and dig into the color Prismatic by Beige Cosmetics as well. I'm gonna be applying this in the center of my eyelid because that's what's the halo eye all about, right? So yeah, I just chose something very light, shimmery, and shiny because that is what's gonna make the whole look complete and stand out. But of course, I'm always gonna go a little extra, right? So I'm gonna be taking my NYX white liquid liner and do an outline of an eyeliner, and it doesn't matter if the inside gets really messy. You just care about the outline because either way you're gonna be filling it in with the black liner. And I'm gonna be using the one by Milani Eye Tech eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be filling that in, making sure everything is sharp as fuck. My voice sounds a little cracked right now. It's because I'm a little sick. So, but don't mind me. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay glitter liner and the color Distortion, going around the crease because you know the extraness don't stop here. Now I'm gonna be going in with the palette and going with the lightest shade, which is ombre, and just giving my brow bone some highlight. Time for some lashes, and that shall complete the motherfucking look. Like, let me do the rest of my face so I can look less shitty, and bam. Oh, it's good. Yes, this is the final motherfucking look, as you can see. So yeah, before I go drink my Tylenol, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, then remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help home ground. Like I always motherfucking say, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out your comfort zone, honey. Alright? So hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.